Good morning to all. Today we need to discuss about second unit, that is nuclear structure. The first topic is nuclear constituents. See, Rutherford's experiment and the scattering of alpha particle by thin metallic foil shows that the atom consists of a very small region at the center that is called as nucleus, and it is of the order of 10 power minus 14 in diameter. Here the nucleus of hydrogen atom was first given the name, that is proton. After the discovery of neutron in 1932 by James Chadwick, it was suggested that every atomic nucleus is composed of protons and neutrons. A proton is a positive charge of the nucleus is composed of, it is positive charge. See, this is a nucleus. It consists of proton and neutrons inside the nucleus. Here the charge of the neutron is neutral. Outside it is surrounded by electrons. Here neutron is electrically neutral and the mass of the neutron is almost equal to that of proton. Here protons, neutrons and electrons are the building blocks of matter and thus called as the fundamental particles. Here the protons and neutrons are together known as nucleons, or protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. That is nucleus, not neutrons. Protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. Here the number of protons in an atomic nucleus is called as atomic number, that is denoted by letter Z. Here an atom is electrically neutral, hence the number of electrons orbiting the nucleus is equal to the number of protons. Here Z gives the number of protons present in the nucleus, and the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus is equal to the, that is called as mass number, that is denoted by letter A. Z is atomic number, A is mass number, and the number of neutrons in the nucleus is, that is A minus Z, that gives the number of neutrons. Here a species of nucleus commonly known as nuclide is represented by a symbol, here AXZ, where X is the chemical symbol of the element or atom. For example, chlorine 35 Cl17. This indicates that atomic number of chlorine atom is Z equals 17, mass number is 35, and the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, that is Z equals 7, number of protons, and number of neutrons is, here A is mass number is 35, then number of protons is 17, which gives 35 minus 17, that is 18. So this is the concept related to constituents of nucleus. See, here nucleus consists of positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons, and here the total charge of the nucleus is considered as positive, that is proton charge, and it is surrounded by negatively charged particles, that is electrons, and electron orbit, that is KLM shells.